Well, hello, guys and gals. Here you can see me heading up the hill in a scrapyard. See that little black dog running across in front of me? Here I am just making my way up the hill. Now I'm coming around to the top there. There's the guy who's going to be loading me. So I'm just getting in a position. Oh, actually, no. There's the guy who's going to be loading me right there. So I need to circle back around and face downhill, and then back my truck up to where he was. And this is me doing that. I bought a new microphone for my laptop, and I'm testing it out with this voiceover in my videos. I think this might be the way to go. Typically when I'm recording my videos, I don't say much. I get the footage. Okay, so here I am outside of the truck, and you can see that they're using like a, I don't know what you would call that, a magnetic device, you know, to grab onto all those metal shavings. And as you can imagine, this takes a while to fill up an entire truck this way. Yeah, because if I remember correctly, this load, it to get to 80,000, it basically is an entire truck full from front to back, bottom to top, all the way up to the tarp. And I guess in lighter trucks, he would probably squash a lot of that down inside the truck to fit more in, but with me he didn't have to because I'm pretty heavy. My empty weight with full of fuel with an empty trailer is 35,200. So here's just another view of him doing his thing. That loader was a real cool guy. Him and I talked a little bit before he got started. Alright, here I am going down the hill, and fast forward, there's that black dog again. He's just running all around up there in a little scrapyard mutt. As you can see, I'm in a hurry to get down to the scale. Probably driving a little too fast. Alright, now I'm nearing the bottom and turn the bend to the right, and that's the scales. And in this case, everything went great. I was under gross, and rolled my tarp, and away I went. Alright, so I'll see you in the next video, which is coming right up. Stay tuned. Okay, so here you can see me working my way up through another scrapyard. This scrapyard was, the ground wasn't bad. I wasn't worried about getting punctured tires, but the layout and where I was supposed to go was rather confusing. And here's the loader. Alright, so I'm loaded, and now I'm making my way back around to the front where the scale house is. Sorry about the dirty windshield. And I have sped up the driving. I think it's 3 times the original speed, but I'll bring it down to regular speed here as soon as I get to the front of the facility, because this is where it gets embarrassing. Alright, so here I am, making the corner to the scale house.
Not yet, I'm getting ready to get it.
So this guy was trying to tell me that I needed a ticket to bring up to the scale house. And I was confused already. But it gets worse.
It's okay that I'm getting on this way, isn't it, for my heavyweight? Okay, all right. Thank you. I just give this to her in there. Okay.
If there's one thing I've learned in this business, it's to ask as many questions as I can to anybody that I can. So here I'm coming onto the scales with fingers crossed that I'm not overweight. But as you'll see there on the scale gauge, I'm over 80,000. Not by much. All right, Oakley truck 9213 back on the scales for my heavy.
Is that 160 pounds okay with you?
Let's see. I'm new at the company. They told me not to haul heavy. What if I get out and then weigh? Is that okay?
No, you can't get out. You can't go with that 160 pounds. You have to go to the crane to get it off.
So, all right. So now I'm. Yeah, they definitely told me I can't haul heavy. I keep saying hauling heavy, but what I mean is.
Well, I mean, to us that's not heavy, but if you need to go get that off, just go back around, pull in the drive like you just did, and see the inspector.
Did you say back around to where I got loaded?
No. Did you just pull in the drive over here to pull up on the scale that you're on now?
Oh, yeah, right here where I am now. I just pulled on. See, I have no idea what she's talking about.
Okay.
And she's getting frustrated.
Go out the gate, come back down the street behind the building here beside you. Pull back in the gate, and pull back in the drive and see the inspector.
Okay, copy. That I understood. And the inspector was the guy walking up to me who gave me that ticket to bring to her. So he's the inspector. I didn't know that. And the confusion between her and I talking about hauling heavy, what I should have said was I'm not allowed to haul over 80,000. That's what I'm not allowed to do. Because in our world, hauling heavy, some of these guys haul well over 80,000 and have special permits. I do not have a permit. Okay, so basically that's that. It's just embarrassing when you've never been to a place before and you're trying to figure it all out without looking like an idiot. And this was one of those times where I kind of looked like a big idiot, and that sucks. All right, that's it for this one.